Now the WGAL News 8 Storm Team forecast with meteorologist Mike Susko.
Good afternoon. We saw a few snow showers in parts of the area last night. I ended up getting a trace if you did see that here. Now our attention is the wind for everybody, as that wind advisory will stick around till 4 o'clock this afternoon. That's when we expect the winds to begin to die down here in the Susquehanna Valley, but could still see gusts up to 45 to 50 miles per hour across the area. So we'll continue to be watching that as we go through the next few hours, but the winds will begin to diminish as we head into this evening and overnight tonight. Unfortunately, though, still could see some power outages and down trees and branches. So something just be aware of here, like I said, for a few more hours, and then the winds begin to calm down as we go into the overnight hours. It's still going to be windy at times, but it won't be as strong as what we've been dealing for the past 24 hours or so. And it's having an effect on our wind chill value. That's the temperature it actually feels like outside. So even though your car thermometer probably showing right around 30 degrees right now, it feels more like the teens out there. So make sure you bundle up, and it's going to stay that way through the rest of the day today and into this evening. Storm Team Live Radar Network, quiet for the most part, but we do have a few snow showers there up by Mifflin County as that wind is coming out of the west here, bringing a little bit of that moisture off the lakes into our area. Not going to amount to much, maybe a few flurries here and there, but we'll keep an eye on it for you. Lancaster right now, we got more clouds than sunshine, and overall looks pretty decent, but it's just that wind that's across the area and continues through the region. Temperatures themselves will drop into the upper 20s by this evening, but again, because of that wind, it's going to feel more like the teens as we go through the afternoon, evening, and even tonight. It's going to feel more like the low teens, maybe even some single digits across the area here. The winds, though, do die down as we head into the overnight hours. Gusts will be anywhere from around 25 to 30 miles per hour. Tomorrow, for the final day of 2025, mostly cloudy, not as windy, but could see some snow showers later in the evening. So here's a look at the predictor. We are going to see the clouds clear out a little bit, but they come right back as we head into tomorrow morning. And then tomorrow evening, we will be watching for a few snow showers here as the little system tries to push on through. It looks like that will start right around 8 o'clock-ish. And then as it moves through around midnight, you can see a little bit of snow showers there, mostly from northwest of 81. And then overnight could see some snow showers, maybe a few snow squalls as we head into early Thursday morning. So if you are going to be out and about for New Year's, just keep in mind you may encounter some snow showers across the area. It may amount to a trace in most, but just be aware of that for Wednesday night. We will be watching that carefully here, and a high of 28 as we welcome in 2026 on Thursday. So kind of appropriate because it's been chilly, and it's going to stay that way here as we go into the new year. Temperatures do not get above 30s at all for the next 10 days. You can see, though, it is quiet as we head towards Friday, Saturday, and Sunday. And then, Jacob, it does look like the pattern becomes a little more active potentially as we head into next week.
All right, Mike, I enjoy